Hello guys, in this video, I will introduce the pass statement to you. This includes the same section in the previous 3 videos about selection blocks that I made. But because the case is different, so I will make it in one video. Okay, let's go. But before, you have to know that if statements cannot be empty, but if you for some reason have an if statement with no content but it pass statement to avoid getting an error. So let's go. A equals 55 and B equals 300. So I will make if B is larger than A. Okay. You just add the password in the platform. Will enter and you can see the result. There is no result. In other words, having an empty if statement like this will raise an error without pass statement. Hopefully this video is useful and see you in the next video.